Mackenzie with WTI. I am obsessed with flamingos, and my dishcloths in my kitchen are no exception. These amazing Swedish dishcloths are exceptional. They have changed my dishwashing game and brought it to a whole nother level. I absolutely love washing with these, specifically because they are so soft on my hands. I know that they're not going to snag on any of my dishes, strainers and things like that too. But I absolutely love the fact that they do not stink. Oh my goodness, they do not stink. It's incredible that something with water and soap and food grime and grunge doesn't smell. When you rinse this out, it dries up a little and is ready for the next use. These are amazing on any of your countertops, no matter what kind of material they're made of, because they're just soft. Basically indestructible too. They're so strong. I absolutely love these dishcloths. I know you will too. And that's my point of view.